8th standard students, let us start. Sum of the measure of the exterior angle of polygon. On many occasions, a knowledge of exterior angles may throw light on the nature of interior angles and sides. Okay. Now see here, draw a polygon on the floor using a piece of chalk. In the figure, a pentagon A, B, C, D, E is shown. A, B, C, D, E, pentagon. First, second, third, fourth, fifth sides, pentagon. We want to know the total measure of angles. That means exterior angle. You can see here a measure of angle 1, angle 2, extend the line. So outer side we will get angles. Start A, walk along B. On reaching B, you need to turn through an angle of measure, angle 1. Same way, angle 2, 3, 4, 5. So when you will take, you continue to move in this manner until you return to side AB. You would have in fact made one complete turn. That means circle. And we know that in complete one turn, 360 degrees there, circle. This is true where whatever be the number of sides of the polygon. Maybe number of sides we don't know, but we know that the sum of the exterior angles of any polynomial, any polygon is 360 degree. So keep this thing in your mind. The sum of the measure of the external angles of any polygon is 360 degree. Now try this. Take a regular hexagon, 3.10. Okay. What is the sum of the measures of its exterior angles x, y, z, p, q, r? So angle x plus angle y plus angle z plus angle p plus angle q plus angle r. We know that any polygon, the sum of the exterior angles of in any polygon, we know the sum is 360 degree. So easily we can write. Is x equal to y equal to z equal to p equal to q equal to r, y? See here, all the angles, interior angles are equal. That means it is a regular pentagon. So exterior angles also will be equal. What is the measure of each exterior angles? So all the angles are equal. So suppose that we are assuming the measurement of angle is n. So n plus n plus n plus n plus n plus n. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorry, it is a hexagon. So 6n. 6n equal to 360 degree. So exterior, the measurement of exterior angle will be 60 degree. And what is the measure of each interior angle? All the angles are equal. So the sum of this by using the formula, and formula we know that. Now we will start exercise 3.2, the first question. And second part I am solving. The given figure is in this way, but you can see here is 90 degrees, so this angle also will be 90 degree. Here this 90 degrees, so interior angles also will be 90 degree. But we know that the sum of the measures of external angles of polygon is 360 degree. External, 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 external. So now from the figure, 70 degree plus x plus 90 degree plus 60 degree plus 90 degree will be 360 degree. Okay. Now from here you can solve. Add 70 plus 90 plus 60 plus 90. Whatever value you are getting, that value dash plus x. Then from 360 degree you will subtract that value. So you will get the value of x. Okay. Now in the second question, second part I am solving. We have to find the measurement of each external angle when the 15 sides are there. So we know that all the exterior, measurement right here, the measurement of all the exterior angles in any regular polygon will be equal, because it is given in the question the polygon is regular. That means all the sides are equal, so all the angles also will be equal. Then 15 equal to 360 degree, because we know that the sum of all exterior angles in any polygon, either it is regular or irregular. So 360 degree divided by 15, so measurement is 24 degree. Okay. Now see third question, how many sides does a regular polygon have if the measure of an exterior angle is 24 degree? We know the sum of the exterior angles in any polygon is 360 degree. We don't know the sides, so 24 into number of sides, we are assuming that n. Okay, or angles, here angle also, so number of sides and number of angles will be equal because the polygon is regular. So we can assume that if in any regular polygon number of angles are n, then 24n is equal to 360 degree. So n equal to 360 upon 24. So when you will divide 360 by 24, whatever number you are getting, that number of polygon with sides you will have. Now how many sides does a regular polygon have if each of its interior angle is 165 degree? So let us start the fourth sum. In fourth question given, the measurement of an interior angle is 165 degree, then the measurement of an exterior angle will be 180 degree minus 165 degree, because they form linear pair and the sum of the linear pair is 180 degree. So one angle is given 165 degree, so other angle will be 180 degree minus 165 degree, that means 15 degree. Now we know that the sum of all the exterior angles always be 360 degree. So exterior, the one angle, the measurement of one angle is 15 degree. So number of angle we don't know, so 15n equal to 360 degree. So n equal to 24. Thus number of exterior angles are 24. So number of sides in a regular polygon will be 24. Now you know the formula, examine the table with the help of this table. Hexagon, if any polygon is having 6 sides, then the sum of all the interior angles will be 6 minus 2 into 180 degree, that means 4 into 180 degree. So we will not multiply, we will take as simple as calculation. Okay, so 4 into 180 degree, you can see all the angles of this hexagon inside exterior angles are equal. Why? Because interior angles are equal. So how many angles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we can write, I am here explaining 6a measurement of angle will be equal to 4 into 180 degree. 6 1s are 6, 6 3s are 18 and 0. So measurement of each angle in this hexagon will be 120 degree. And linear pair also you can see, if it is 120 degrees, so it will be 60 degree. Already we have done. And other way, if this angle is 60 degree, definitely the interior angle will be 120 degree. Now what is the measure of each? Already we have done. Repeat this activity for the cases of a regular octagon and regular 20gon. So this you will do. Octagon, that means 8 sides. So you will find all the sides will be equal. So you will send this to on my personal WhatsApp number. Now fifth question. Is it possible to have a regular polygon with measure of each exterior angle as 22 degree? Suppose that the exterior angle is given 22 degree. So number of angles we don't know. So we are assuming number of angles are n, or let it be number of angles n. So 22 degree into n equal to 360 degree. Then number of angles will be 360 degree divided by 22. If it is divisible completely, so it is possible. And if it, that means 360 degrees should be divided by 22 completely, then the regular polygon is possible. So you will do this question yourself. And if remainder is there, you can write it is not possible because 360 degree or 360 is not divisible by that number, that means 22. If it is divisible, then possible, not divisible, then not possible. Now can it be an interior angle of a regular polygon? Why? So for interior angle, first we will find exterior angle. So first you will write given in second case the interior angle, the measurement of interior angle is 22 degree. Then the measurement of exterior angle will be 180 minus 22. So whatever number you are getting, that will be the measurement of an exterior angle. So that exterior angle into n equal to 360 degree. So if 360 degree is completely divisible by that number, then regular polygon is possible. And if not divisible, not divided by that number, so regular polygon is not possible. The smallest regular polygon is triangle. In triangle, that means equilateral triangle. So we can say that the minimum interior angle is possible for an equilateral triangle, and that is 60 degree. Okay. Now for calculating the exterior angle of this interior angle, subtract this interior angle from 180 degree because they form linear pair. Okay. So the maximum exterior angle is possible for equilateral triangle, that is 180 degree minus 60 degree is equal to 120 degree. Okay.